back, take it back.
I don't rock designer clothes, got homies making it happen. Copy and paste the hoodie, press why duper for the jacket. Insane deranged, I'm out of my brain. Rebel like Django, but still rockin' chain. Shots, the liquor will rain, and then Mary Jane is at it again.
YouTube, what's good? It's your guy Hitch. Happy Friday to everybody. If it's Friday, you know that means one thing. I got some steals, and I'm sharing them with y'all. So happy for the low Friday. All right. Before we dive into the video, seeing that Deion clip or clips, don't it give you chills? If it don't give you chills, God bless you. You're a cold-hearted SOB. Deion Sanders, in my eyes, is the greatest athlete of all time. We've seen, players play two sports before. Bo Jackson, people like Antonio Gates play basketball in college and then dominate in the NFL. But the players prior to Deion or even after him, they never played two sports as long as he did and dominate for as long as he did. He's, I would say, the undisputed best corner of all time. The man played in the Super Bowl and the World Series in the same season. That's just crazy. I've never owned any of his shoes. It's kind of wild. Like, I'm a huge Deion fan. He's my favorite football player of all time, my favorite athlete of all time. I've never owned his shoes. And I finally got my hands on a pair of his shoes, and as you can see, I'm excited. What even made it better was that the shoe retails for $140, and I got them for damn near 50% off. I paid $74. Can't complain. So this is the time of the year where whether you're in school or you're not, take advantage of these back-to-school sales. They're here for me and for you. Take advantage of them. I'll leave links in the description about the different sites that you can go to. Jimmy Jazz is running a sale right now. I saw the Shadow 10s. I did a review on it. Go check it out. The retail on those are $190. They have them for $125. Kyrie's are for sale on Shoe Palace right now. I will leave the links in the description. Aside from these shoes that are on sale, I told you guys about Ebates before. I don't know if y'all listened. Sign up for Ebates. If you shop online, Ebates pays you back some of your spending. So to give you an idea, I bought these. The cashback was only 2.5%. So I made like $2 off it or whatever it might be. But the more you shop, the more you save. So the way Ebates works is they pay you out quarterly. So think about it. If you shopped online for 3 months straight, spend, let's just say $500, you're going to have a decent sized amount of money that they're going to now pay you back. To give you an example, they pay me out this month actually. On the 15th, they're supposed to pay me, but they paid it early. They paid it to me on the 12th. The reason they did that was because they owed me $161. Instead of taking the cash, which they would send to my PayPal, they said, hey, do you want a gift card? We'll give you a list of all the stores where you can get a gift card, and if you take the gift card, we'll give you another 15% on top of that. So the $160 or $167 that they owed me became $191 because I took a gift card to Nike. I shop at Nike all the time. It makes sense. Take advantage of Ebates. I'll leave the link in the description. But this is what y'all here for. DT Max 96s. I remember these like it was yesterday. The flames that they had, you've never seen anything like that on a shoe back in the 90s. Not only did 90s have the best music, I think we had the best kicks. I fell in love with these shoes when they came out. I never owned them. They retroed in like 07, didn't buy them. And then they retroed like 5 years ago. It was around like 2013 to 2015. I don't remember the exact year. If you do, please leave the comment below. But when they came out, I went and tried them on. I believe I tried them on in either this colorway or the white and navy blue colorway. And the toe box was extremely snug. So I wear 8.5. I had to go up to a 9, and at that point I just didn't do it. I also thought that they were a little uncomfortable. So I went back to the store this go around and I tried them on in the 8.5, and they fit perfect. I have a wide foot, as y'all know, and they fit perfect. They're comfortable. So I don't know what changes they made, but I'm happy with the changes. I finally got a pair of my favorite athlete of all time's kicks, and I got them at a steal, $75. Can't complain. We have our regular OG old school orange Nike box. Air DT Max 96. DT stands for Diamond Turf. Retail of $140. I went true to size, as I said before. And then your official colorway is white, varsity red, and black. Here's my order. For some reason, they didn't really put any details to the pricing in. But if you look that way, you can see a copy of my email to see that I only spent $75. Now, I mentioned Deion being the greatest athlete of all time. Deion was also the flashiest player of all time. Whether it was on the field, high-stepping after picking off your favorite quarterback, or pulling up to training camp in the golf cart with 21 on it when he was a cowboy, or rocking the jerry curl with all the diamonds and the gold. And guess what? Nike put all that flash into his shoe. Have you ever seen flames on somebody's sneaker before, bro? And I'm not talking about Vans. Have you? I don't think so. These are cold. This is not a video about quality control. We already know Nike does not have the greatest quality control, and I can see some blemishes on this shoe, but I'm not going to complain about it. Instead, let's talk about what we got here. In the 90s, we did not have Flyknit, so most of our shoes had natural materials. This is all leather. This entire upper is all leather. The white leather seems to be some good grade leather throughout. Now that red leather, this seems to be lower grade leather, to be honest. It feels very soft and slick, to be honest. It feels like leatherette. Shout out to all the German car drivers out there. You know what leatherette is. But yeah, man, these flames, it really makes the shoe pop. The color blocking on this is crazy. So outside of your entire leather upper, you have slight mesh on this toe here, a little bit of mesh here on the toe, and then when you get to your tongue, now this shoe I think was a little bit ahead of its time because of this tongue. If you look at this tongue, it goes down into the sock liner, or the insole for that matter. This reminds me of what a lot of shoes look like nowadays, where you have like that booty shoe. It's not really detached tongue, it stretches. It reminds me of like even a KD10 tongue on his Flyknits now. So this really just makes me feel like the shoe is a little bit ahead of its time, but it feels like this is all nylon. It's very stretchy. And then you have like that Diamond Turf logo. If you don't know what Diamond Turf means, the man played football and baseball. Turf for the football field, diamond for the baseball field. So there you have that. Then you got subtle swooshes. Not a lot of large swooshes. You got one on your strap. And again, speaking about the 90s, a lot of shoes were known for having straps back in the 90s. And I'm a big fan of it. I don't strap it, but I just love the way it looks when you have that strap flapping. You have one swoosh logo on your strap, another one going up by your heel, on the back of your heel with your air font, and then another one on the medial side going up by the ankle again. Lace loops. You don't have many of them, so you can kind of wear the shoe very loose fitting, which that's how I'm fond of wearing my shoes. And then your midsole. Your midsole is red, white, and black. I think this one has it. Gotta love that Nike quality control, right? But again, that's not what we're here for. Then you have your Air Max bubble. So the bubble has red inside. Nice little touch there. Gotta like your details on your shoes. And then to top everything off with your outsole, big swoosh on the midfoot. And I've always liked this. It's see-through. I always feel like it's gonna pop. It does feel sturdy, but as long as you're not walking on rocks, you should be fine. And it has, again, details. You have your Nike logo in there with the swoosh. I hope you can see it. It's kind of hard. Stupid camera won't focus. I think you can see it now. But there you go, man. Lastly, your insole, all red with more detail on that Diamond Turf, which is in red and black. I really think they did I love the name Diamond Turf. You're really speaking of what Deion is known for. He plays two sports, and you're able to wrap that up into 2 shoes. That's crazy when you think about it. It's really crazy. But if you like the video, please comment, like, subscribe. The goal, people, we're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. The fastest we get to 1,000 subscribers, and I appreciate and adore each and every one of y'all, the faster I can get to doing that giveaway. Happy for the Low Friday.
Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Why you go? Why you go? Why you go? Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Why you go? Why you go? Why you go? Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Why you go? Why you go? Why you go? Why you go? Let's get into it. Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Clothes painted on you, kinda close, yeah. You know you the jelly to my butter roll. I could be your moonshine all around your globe. Girl, you got my heart chained like Django. Be my Nia Long, Love Jones, I'm Lorenzo. Be your morphine, make your pain go. Cigarillo full of gas, make the plane go. Southwest Delta, me and you unite, yeah. You my Eve, you my prime rib. Skipping through your garden, jungle is my climate. Bite the apple if I find it. No strings like a Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Mayweather, jab, left, right. Zicky if you're nasty. High five, waistline, ass cheek. Slow grind, slip, glide.
You ain't gotta lie in front of me. Shout out to the women that get high and wanna leave. I won't get in your way and being free. I don't have a gavel, you can fuck me in the team. I'ma keep it GC 103. You're looking for something special, you should stop looking at me. Just answer when I call. I got 99 problems, but with you I'm unbothered.
Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Why you go? Why you go? Why you go? Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Why you go? Why you go? Why you go? Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Why you go? Why you go? Why you go? Make your pain go. Make your pain go.